Question is discussed to illustrate the idea that two particles projected with the same speed at complementary angles of projection, say theta and 90 minus theta, will acquire equal horizontal ranges. Both will get displacement, horizontal displacements equal, but their heights will be different. One height will be proportional to sine square theta, another will be the other will be proportional to cos square theta. So for a given height difference, what is that common range? So to calculate that common range only, this question is to calculate that common range. So it's a simple question. You can just see the method involved. Some trigonometry is involved. So with that you can get the answer easily. Just you can go through the solutions. Thank you.